This is Freddie Snores. He's sleeping and making funny noises. Funny noise. I hope he's okay. He's very busy. Bye now, Freddie. Sleep tight. We love you.